Today, I'll be talking about comparative education. My name is Lucy Aja. Comparative education is an academic discipline that systematically studies and analyzes different educational systems, structure, practices, and policies across various countries or regions. The primary goal is to understand the similarities and differences between these systems, examining how cultural, social, economic, and political factors influence educational outcome. Let's take the importance of comparative education. One, from the global perspective. Comparative education provides a global perspective on educational system. By studying different countries, researchers and educators can gain a deeper understanding of the diverse approaches to education worldwide. This broadens perspectives and helps identify successful strategies that can be adapted to different contexts. Policy development. Policymakers can benefit from comparative education by learning from successful educational policies and practices implemented in other countries. This can inform the development of effective policies that address specific challenges within their own educational system. Educational reform. Comparative education is crucial for initiating and gaining educational reforms by analyzing successful models from other countries. Educators and policymakers can identify innovative approaches that may enhance their own systems and address issues such as curriculum development, teacher training, and assessment methods. Let's say from the cultural understanding, education is deeply influenced by cultural and societal factors. Comparative education helps in understanding how differences impact educational philosophies and practices. This knowledge is essential for creating inclusive and culturally responsive educational environments. Quality assessment. Comparative education facilitates the assessment of educational quality by examining the strengths and weaknesses of different systems. These evaluations This evaluation helps educators and policymakers identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to enhance overall educational quality. Knowledge exchange. Cooperative education promotes the exchange of knowledge and best practices among countries. Collaboration between nations allows for the sharing of successful educational strategies, fostering a sense of global cooperation in the pursuit of quality education for all. Teacher training. Understanding how different countries approach teacher training is crucial for preparing educators to meet the evolving needs of students. Comparative education helps in identifying effective teacher training plans and methodologies. Economic development. A strong education system is often linked to economic development. Comparative education assists policymakers in adopting strategies that can contribute to the development of a skilled workforce, leading to economic growth and competitiveness on a global scale. Social equity. Comparative education contributes to the exploration of how educational systems can promote social equity and inclusivity by studying successful models. Policymakers can develop policy that reduce disparity in educational opportunities. And thank you for listening. I remain Dr. Lucy Aja.